Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
Good evening. Are you okay? So, done a bit more work and come up with a few more ideas. Built a few things, so let's just get on to showing you that. So anyway, it's all about the click. Okay. So we've got today, this is the penultimate. The penultimate, yeah. This one's a penultimate. The one before the finish, I think. Alright, so we've got the cage, which is, I've just deepened the pockets for the bearings. So we've got a bearing down in the bottom and a stop, and we've got a stop and a bearing receptacle there. So we're going to have to design this shaft again, and I think we're going to have a ball bearing up and down. Up and down. Anyway, this has come out pretty good. Let me just show you the lid. You'll like this, not a lot. So you've got your plastic 3D print with your normal texture, and underneath we've got foil, and it conducts. Simple, glued, contact adhesive glued to it. This is only thin foil, but we're going to get some thicker catering one, and you just glue it to it, then you just go around with the little Stanley knife and just trim it. Use the plastic as a guide. Anyway, so I've gone ahead and made the new holes, so I've scrapped all the old ones. That fits on there. So, and I've tested it with the meter, and we've got continuity all the way around. And I've thought about it. Now, it was good enough for NASA. Gold foil, or gold, on the Apollo, if you believe that they went to the moon. If you believe it. Yeah. If you believe it. Back in the day. Right, so let's get back to the model. It's all about the click, so we need to optimize the click, and we need to, if the lid is finished, we can still make a PCB lid if we want. We can still make a PCB lid if we want to, but for purposes of making it work, it's not necessary. So you basically can 3D print the whole thing, and the only thing you can't make is the strip. So what I'm going to have to lose some of this work now. So like I say, I'm ready. So we've still got PCB there, so I'll leave that there for now. But I'll tell you what, I could reflect what we've got. But the foil on the underside of the lid connects all this up. Anyway, and it looks alright, it looks the part. So what I'm going to do now is just make sure I've got audio for a start. Yeah, we've got audio. So today I'm going to make a better one. Where is it? Actuator. This is one I just made quickly, and we want a better one. But that's okay just to test it. Let's just disassemble some of this stuff. Right, so we can see what's going on. So I've got to print another shaft out, and what I want is, because I'm using the same one of these, the same, what do I call it, cage, and it's got the stop on it, I figured why not have the stop on the bottom. So if you could click on, and just lose some of the shafts, top, middle, bottom, and the contact strip. Right, so we've got this here, and this is a stop, and it's a ball bearing holder, and it's a guide, a shaft surface. Wouldn't it be great if we could do the same at the top? So we've got 2 lots of ball bearings and 2 lots of stops. Yeah. So let's have a look at that. Right, let's build it back up. So we still need that bit, and we still need the contact strip holder. Okay. Now, instead of just putting on the top, how about if we have another one of these? Exactly as it is. So we'll copy that. I'll put it up. Obviously, we're going to have to modify it a bit, maybe. Alright. And we've got to flip it in the blue. Okay. Right, it's almost there anyway, isn't it? Now, obviously, it's going to have to be modded slightly, because we've got to put the shaft on it. Yeah, so we've got, let's just see what we've got so far, where it is now. Where's the, hang on, let's just come out of that. Let's put on the top lid, lid PCB, right. So it's close already, isn't it? Apart from, oh no, we're missing our upper chassis clamp. So we've got a stop down here, and we've got a stop up there. So, and we've got another ball bearing to slot into the top lid. So we've got a ball bearing down here and a ball bearing up there. And what it'll help do is it'll help even up the distancing. Okay. So I've got to work out how I'm going to do that now. So we've got a bit sticking out the top and a bit sticking out the bottom. That's fine. But if we have the same shaft at the top, then we could just as well push. Yeah, we've got to allow for the actuator, and that is designed to have a bigger shaft pushed into it. So we're almost there. So we'd need to combine the two onto the one. So one's going to be slightly different. Yeah, slightly different, but it can be pushed down, that can. So let's just take some stuff off again. And the actuator, let's try it on the upper shell. Try and work out what's going on. So we've not turned on, that's the old top. So we've got to combine in the top, turn these two together basically. Oh, I need to see whether that's on the surface, so let's put the lid back on again. Alright, so lid back on. Yeah, so we're not on the surface there, but we've got to apply this upper, so I need to be looking at that a bit. Right, so let's have a look in X-ray mode. I've just put it there by accident, I think. It needs to be sort of equal. So we're going to need a ball bearing up the top as well. So that's a better, yeah, it's a bit lower there now, hopefully. We're going to build it up. It's difficult to do. Very difficult, but I'm liking it. And I think, what did the thumbnail say again? I can't remember. It's all about the click, yeah. It is all about the click, but yeah, we've got to get the click right. So we've got past the foil problem, the screen or the shield. Just a simple foil and adhesive. Crazy. With a sharp Stanley just to trim the edges. Right, and a bit of adhesive, yeah. Oh dear, tired today. Right. So I've got to manipulate this. So we want, right, it's difficult. I need to get the same gap I got going here on the surface. Actually, where is the surface? I can't see what's going on anymore. Hang on. Let's hide the PCBs. Right, let's have a look. Come back in normal mode. Right, so we've got, oh yeah, so that's wide and it's sitting on that surface. Now we've got the wide bit here and it needs to sit on that surface. And I can't actually see. Right, so have we got a bit of a gap? It's difficult to see. Hang on. Right, let's just have a look down here. So we've got, yeah, that's sitting on the surface, and that is sitting on the surface. Well, that was a bit of luck, really, wasn't it? How did I manage that? Just happened to plonk it there and it went. Right, that's amazing. We've got symmetry like that. Crazy. Right, so what I need to do now is amalgamate the two. Just amalgamate the two into one. So that's going to have to bottom out there. So this is going to have to be made bigger. Yeah, it's definitely going to have to be made bigger. So we can work that out. Let's just do it. Let's have a look. 1.642. So if I go on to Yeah. So, ball bearings there, and it'd be nice if that was attached to this to be able to push this down a bit, just a bit, or I don't know. No, I'll leave it like that. So let's get this modified. Right, let's get this a little bit modified here. Right, so I need to, don't know, what do I need? I could just do that, I suppose. No, we better not just do that. So I need some lines. I suppose we could. Hang on, let's just tell you what. No, I can't do it that way. So what about if I just grab a few things like this? Copy. Paste in place, and then to rotate it. No, it's not going to snap to it, is it? It's not going to snap to it, so bugger. Come on, you can find it. No. Oh, there we go. Right, so I need to rotate it, let's say 45 degrees, and go back into this one. Oh, where are they? No.
Any stations out there confirm that I'm making a connection M6 with DPY.
Undo, close.
Yeah, you're making the connection. This is
Undo,
Mike
open,
7
undo,
Hotel
rotate.
Yankee Hotel.
Tell you what, let's get rid of the upper bit.
Just put the hotspot in the car and I'm tethering it on. So I was just checking that it was all working.
So I need to move it 90
Give me a little
degrees.
bit more audio and I'll let you know because you was breaking up a little bit. I need a little bit more audio off you there. The person at this end is Brian. Back to you. Good evening, Brian. The operator and this way, Darren. Pretty cold down here at the moment, although it has stopped raining. Back to you. Okay there, Darren. I didn't get where you were from, sorry, but you did break up a little bit there, Darren. My location, I'm 2.5 miles from the town centre of Bolton, 12 miles from the city of Manchester, Darren. Back to you. All received. Yeah, I'm in a town called Lymington, approximately 20 miles west of the city, and about 15 miles east of the city of Bournemouth. Back to you. I got some of that, Darren. I mean, you can get another radio check off somebody else and see what they say. You did break up again there, Darren. I wish you 73s for now and you get another radio check, mate. Okay, mate. Thank you. Much appreciated. M6 DP1.
1.642. Okay. So we need to come down 0.25. Okay, and okay, can that come off? Yeah. Okay. Right, so we've got this turret. Right, that's fair enough. Right, so we're okay there. So that's nice. It's got the gap, a little bit of a gap. So we need another ball bearing. So if I measure from there to there, 11.895. Grab that and copy another one. 11.895. No, something went wrong. Oh. Plus the size of 3550.
G4, KTS, listening 310.
3.550. Yep, that's okay. Right, so we've got the two ball bearings now. Very good. So that's exactly the same as the bottom. Right. Yeah, everything's so good, so far so good. Now we've got to work out the... Oh, we're going to do the ram, the top bit. So, how are we going to do that? That shaft has to be that size because of the stepper motor. At the top has to be a certain other size for the strength of the plastic. So, I tell you what, let's just give this a different name. I need to create a new one, call it modular spindle, and it's top, upper, modular spindle, top, upper. That's it, and we need to make it unique. It's not actually a component. Yeah, I didn't make it into a component, so that's okay. Right. So then we need to incorporate the two. The spindle top has got to be added to it. That's quite easy to add to that, isn't it? Yeah. It's quite easy to add to that as... So, be nice to be able to push that over the end, so you got an option for it. That would be nice. Yeah, I like that idea. So, I've got to make sure that these fit together. That's the other thing. Right, let me have a look in X-ray mode.
What do we do?
Yep, anyway, lads, be wishing out for me. Bill, you take care. I was looking forward to a contact on 80 metres, but you didn't get round to doing the antenna.
I've got this one. I'm not listening. Postman 35480, une bande lisette. Postman
Right, so I've got to make sure that these locking systems work. And no, they don't work that way around, do they? That's because we haven't got a locking system on the bottom one. No, we have. We have got a locking system. So, what is so bad about it? Right, so what is going on with this? Oh, it's the original. Yeah, that one's going to have to be modded. Or, no, or we're going to have a different one for the top. Yeah, so we need to push that over the top.
Shamrock 179, climb flight level 300. Climb level 300, Shamrock 179.
Right, so I'm getting lost a bit in it here. So I think what we'll do is we'll lift this up. Lift that up, I don't know, 15 mil. Right, we can have a look at it now. So we've got the shape, but it's out of, it's 190, it's 90 degree out, isn't it? Yeah, it's 90 degree out if we're going to fit it on there. Okay, we could do that. That needs to stay the same, or does it? Yeah, because it comes straight through these two. Yeah, that's got to stay the same. So what we'll do then is move the inners. We don't need the stepper motor on that one. So let's just get rid of that, and so we're going to have a look at this one. We need to get rid of
Ryanair 33 Sierra X-ray 10 right heading 015 and descend flight level 330.
Right heading 015, descend flight level 330, Ryanair 33 Sierra X-ray.
FedEx 5225, fly heading 310 degrees.
Heading 310, FedEx 5225.
Imagine going on a date and finding out that your date is flight radar controller. A bit mad, wouldn't it? What do you do? Oh, I'm an astrophysicist or something. That'll be funny. Let's get rid of some of this.
Sierra 179, direct to Badsy.
Okay. Now we've got to move this insert around. How do we do that? First we need to find out which way. It's got to match up with this, but keep that where it is. So that needs to move this way, whichever way we're looking at it. So let's just do that. So can I just select that?
Alex 1258, fly heading 065.
Heading 065, heading 1258.
33 Sierra X-ray D7 flight level 200, level of beam axis.
Right, we've got too much.
200 level beam axis, Ryanair 33 Sierra X-ray.
Okay, so we'll have to do it manually.
9606, route direct Resno.
Confirm direct to Resno for Giant 606.
AFO.
Direct Resno, Giant 606.
Griffin 5 Delta Uniform, descend flight level 270, level ultimate.
Send 270 level on that. 5 Delta Uniform.
Oh, God. Hang on. We're going to have to turn these faces.
73 Hotel Bravo, flight level 380, expecting on met 1 Golf Delwick.
273 Hotel Bravo, London.
Right, that's all those.
Pop and then Opnet.
Apart from
Pop then Otnet.
that.
73 Hotel Bravo.
That's that. And we need to do the same with this end.
370 Lima, descend when you're ready, flight level 340, be level 20 miles before Banda. Ryanair 370 Lima, descend when you're ready, flight level 340, be level 20, 20 miles before Banda.
That's copy. When ready, descend for level 340, level 20 before Bamba. Thanks for that, right?
Wake up.
Alright, 1795,
Wake yourself up.
be flight level 310 for the
Pay
group.
attention. Stop falling asleep. Flying a plane.
Alex 1258, descend flight level 170.
Now we need to move it which way? I don't know. It's going to be the wrong way, isn't it? It's definitely going to be the wrong way. Have I moved it the right way? I have. We've been lucky. Looking like a flying saucer now. Anyway, yesterday's live stream was a disaster. 3 hours of hard work and got about 12 views out of it. Dear me. Strange. Time of the day, I suppose. Yeah, time of the day. I suppose I did that one late, and in the Americas it's probably going to be 3 o'clock in the morning or something. Or maybe people are just sick of it. They could just be sick of it, couldn't they? Right, so the next thing is to see if I can... Yeah, I think that's it. So we'll bring that one down 15 mil, back to where it belongs. Okay, so we're done. We're done. Oh no, we're not done because we haven't modified this, because that needs to be like the top.
Right, F33 Sierra X-ray navigation axis.
So
Navigation axis, F33 X-ray.
I need to work out.
Navigation lift code.
That was way too high. That was,
I direct to Lipco, Lima India Papa Golf Oscar.
yeah, I need to lower it. Let's have a look at what it looks like.
X1258, navigation fixie.
Navigation fixie to X1258.
Alright, so it's sticking out there. Let me bring back the... Yeah, it does stick out too much, look. So yeah, we need to bring that all the way down there really, and it'll just bottom out on the top of the thing. Yeah, okay. Right. Okay, we know what we're doing. So it needs to be that long, probably, yeah. .805.
confirm request, is anything available?
Just been 09 uniform, you can request that now with Dublin 135.655, my service terminate.
135.655, this is 09 uniform, thanks for the service, good night.
Bye-bye.
Right, so we've got that again. We need to bring the top spindle back so we can draw a line. So it's that one there across.
Hello, Shamrock, 50360 to Batsy.
Sure, 529 London, thank you.
Oh, it's slightly out. Right. So yeah, I need to do something with that first. I need to just bring that up. Right, then draw the line. And I think the line's like that. Let's have a look. No, not right. So there's the line. Oh, that's weird. Oh, because it's beveled. So it needs to be this line. Yeah. I'm looking at the old bevel. So I need to go from there across. Alright. There across to there. That's it. No, that's not it. There across to there. Like that.
It's 1258, D7 flight over 130 level Biffin.
Yeah, that's it, and the bevel. Okay, I need to come down at least to there. Right, so let's do that. I'm gonna have to lose that a minute, and that, and that. Oh, we'll have to bring that down. We don't know how far yet. Let's just take it down 5 mil for now. And we can bevel the top by 0.5, and hang on, is it 0.5? Yeah, I think it is. Alright, then we need to bring this down by 0.5. Almost done. Yeah, and we can bring it to 2.5 lower.
Dynamics 1258, contact Birmingham 123.980.
123.980, prediction 1258.
Easy 63 uniform Lima to 7 when you're
So
ready.
that's exactly what we've got then.
Someone ready, flight level 300 to be level up, man. Easy 63 uniform
That's
Lima.
what we've got. So we can turn off the top. Yeah. So we've got that there now. Right. Okay. I can put the lid on. And we need, obviously need to go a bit more.
Request that now with Dublin 135.655.
Let's have a look at the real one. Yeah. So we need to go another,
012 London, good evening,
at least flush. At least flush with that.
Dynamics 22,
Which is
recall me please 133.6.
2 mil. We'll go flush almost. Not quite. So we're going to come down 1.75.
Thank you. Descend when you're ready. Flight level 200 and speed of descent 270 knots or greater.
8.74, that's fine. Right, so we can start these off printing now.
You're ready. Flight level 200 level bad speed.
Yeah, we can start these off printing. So hopefully with the 2 balls, actually 2 balls, always better than 1. Andy!
Jet 313, recall me.
Hey, welcome mate, welcome.
Jet 313, thank you.
Yeah, welcome mate.
I've
got some, we're almost there with this, you know, almost. We're almost there. I've got, I don't know if you missed the front. So I've got plastic now, plastic, but foil. This is just kitchen foil, but I'm going to use catering foil, which is thicker. Glue it on. Sounds a bit how you doing gluing it on, but I've tried it on and it touches all the things, and you tighten it up just fine. And it means you can still have the PCB if you want it, but this will do the trick. And you can see where it's been fastened down, the indents. So it shows you where it's been touching ground. And it's good enough for NASA to shield some of their stuff. They used foil on their Apollo, if you believe they went to the moon, whatever. Anyway, so that's that great idea there. And I've created deeper shells. So, and now I've had this, because we're going to reuse the parts. We've got a ball bearing down into that dip, and because we've got using the same one at the top here, we've got the holes and we've got an extra stop. We can use the stop there. So we've got 2 stops and we've got 2 ball bearings. So you've got 2 lots of pushing in. So hopefully it'll line it up just right. Anyway, so I've got to do a bit of tweaking. I've got to make a new knob in a minute.
36 kilo X-ray descent flight level 200.
Better knob. Not lovely design on the knob. So I can get this printing now, I think. Right, so let's export some of this stuff.
Ryanair 36 kilo X-ray, when ready, you can level for flight level 300 if you wish.
I think that will pretty much stayed the same, that did. I think that stayed the same now. It's possibly, yeah, it's probably it might have been too loose. Yeah, I haven't got one to test. Let's just print one. It doesn't take long to print these. So we'll print them all off again, because we'll see, once we've got 2 bearings, we'll have to see what it's like. Okay, so it's the modular one again, and it's the bottom.
X1 under control, thank you, redirect battery.
That one really hasn't changed, but we'll send it off again. Just do it, all of them. Where's it gone? Where's the modular bit gone? What have I done with that modular? There it is. Bottom, middle. And we want this one again. That's changed a bit. Right, so almost there. Oh, can't wait to get this finished. Where's that gone? There it is. Now this is going to be called top middle. Yeah, that's the one. Top middle. And then we've got this one. Actually, it's the upper and top. It is the top. It's just the top now, yeah. Right. So modular. Where are you? Top. Okay. So we've just got to sort out after the actuator. That we've got to make this better. It's got to be thicker, and yeah, it probably won't be too bad. But anyway.
Nordic 23 Yankee, climb flight level 350.
Right, so let's just save that. Right, so what now? We're going to Bamboo Studio.
Shamrock 529, descend when you're ready, flight level 200, level Badsy.
Descend when ready, flight level 200, level Badsy, Shamrock 529.
Easy 73 Hotel Bravo, descend when you're ready, flight level 270, level Ultimate.
Okay, fine. So we'll go on to the home. Let's find. That was it yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna have to get rid of all these now. Yet again. Import. Right, where are you? Oh, there it is. So these four. That's not bad.
I'll get 303, thank you.
Okay, this one needs to go. Got to keep them together to get the broom.
RNA 36 Kilo X-ray, descend flight level 170.
Not too close. That's okay. Perhaps we could go a little bit more that way, yeah, okay. Right, that's it, we'll print them out like that. Brilliant. Right, let's have a look at the strength. 100% on the strength. And in, yeah. Do we need the inner? Probably don't need the inner. Yeah, we'll have it. We'll have it anyway. Right, slice the plate. This has got to be the one now, surely. This has got to be finished. Apart from altering of the bearings slightly. Right, what's that going to take? 33 minutes. Let's just print that out. Get that on the go. So, I was thinking you could stack these as well. You could stack them. You could probably stack them. Let's put the camera on as well. Yeah, you could probably stack them. So I'll let that carry on for a bit. Right. Oh yeah, the knob we wanted to sort out, didn't we? Let's put some stuff back together then. So we want the inner cage. Right, so we've got the cage that holds all the SO239s. There's the SO239s. And when I screwed it all together, they're really good. They're held, it was solid. And then we've got the bottom base PCB, all plastic. And the lid PCB, all plastic. Then you've got your chassis.
Can you confirm the descent clearance for us for good coordination?
So what I have got to do though is
ready, final 200 level battery, camera 529, thanks.
what I've got to do is, yeah, I can try one of these. Actually, I could try it now. That's oh, I haven't got a shaft yet, but I can try it in. Yeah, let's try that in. So what I'm going to do is apply the stepper motor add-on like that. Now you could, if you wanted, make a shroud, a corner shroud that goes over this, if you wanted. So yeah, the knob's not quite right, so we need to redesign that. So we can work that out. 2.5 mil.
118.865, Air India 116.
So if we go 2.25. Yeah, 2.25. Oh, I didn't bevel it, did I? I beveled the other one, didn't I? Yeah, but I didn't bevel this last one I did. So now we're going to redesign it though, weren't we? That's right. We're going to redesign it. Does it look any good? No. It's probably okay. I think we'll just leave it. Let's bevel it and leave it. Oh, we haven't actually got our thumb tonight, yeah, so does it need to? No, I'm going to leave it for now. But I'll put a bevel on it.
MX22 Echo Foxtrot D7 flight 130 level Biffin.
And fly 130 by Biffin, channel 22 Echo Foxtrot.
Let's hope it doesn't play up from the bevel. 0.5. How's that? Has that turned out okay? I think it has, hasn't it? Yeah, we're all right. So that's okay. What about the top? So we've got this bit of thing going on here. Yeah. Needed to make it wider, didn't we, really? Without affecting that. Maybe we'll just leave it like that. Yeah, I think I'll leave it. Prints out pretty nice. Yeah. It'll make people ask, what are these for? They'll say, why have you got them? Yeah, I'll leave it like that. Okay, so let's just bring it back onto the model. Yeah, that's okay as it is. Let's just output that shaft. Ready for printing. We're slowly getting to the end of where is it? Actuator, where are you? Actuator plastic. We're getting to the end of messing around with this thing. Okay. Save. Now, what I ought to do is... Oh, it's just printing them out. It's okay. Yeah. It's doing okay. So what I ought to do is make this... Let's just save this. I need to...
Report your speed to Birmingham, 123.980.
123.980 is a switch. Cheers, FedEx 22, okay, Foxtrot.
Right, so this is going to be just white this top.
130 level biffin.
So let's just make it white.
130 level biffin.
So paint it. We don't need the pullbacks now. Okay, paint it white. Right, that's it. We don't need. We don't need that. Hang on. Let's paint it white. Okay, let's get rid of these. Let's make it look like what it's going to appear in real life. Right. That's so far so good. Now this side is different. So we don't need to worry about where them are anymore. You don't need to worry about that. I think I'll leave them there though. Yeah, I'll leave them there. So that comes off. So does these.
Running control is 38 Yankee, flight level 330, heading 195, speed decimal 672, speed 250 knots conversion.
We need to get rid of these.
Hey firm, run heading 195, flight level 330, decimal 67, and non conversion will be 250.
Yankee London, thank you. Descend when you're ready, flight level 290.
Okay, then we need to colour the rest of it.
Turkish 8 Romeo uniform, descend flight level 200, level 5 Babsy, and speed on conversion 290 knots.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Right, so it's a foil, a thin foil. And the rest is white.
Turkish 8 Romeo uniform, negative, just check. Descend when you're ready, flight level 200, level 5 Babsy, speed in the descent 290 knots.
200 and speed 290, transition at C, Turkish 8 Romeo uniform.
Turkish 8 Romeo uniform, A firm and B level by Babsy.
And level by Babsy, Turkish 8 Romeo uniform.
EC86 Whiskey Papa, contact Cardiff 125.855.
125, so 855, it's the 86 Whiskey Papa, cheerio.
Jet 313, report your speed to Birmingham 123.980.
Speed to Birmingham 123.980. Jet 313, bye bye. That's low EC2 Delta Alpha 2702 Luxor, speed 30 knots or greater.
EC28 Delta Alpha London, thank you. Continue with the speed, descend when you're ready, flight level 160 level Westby.
Descend ready, level 160 level Westby, and continue with speed EC2 Delta.
Okay, so that's what we've got. Hopefully that's done the bottom as well. So it's looking, yeah, it's done the bottom as well.
Good evening, EC902 Romeo Quebec, descending flight 220 XM.
Yeah, so it's silver one side, white the other. Silver foil. It's not too good, the foil is. Is there a better foil? Not sure. Let's have a look. Better darker metal. No, that's not right. No. How about that one? Is that like a foil? Yeah. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. Right, okay. Alright, it's coming the right way up. Let's just make sure that one's changed as well. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So it's looking more like the finished thing. Yeah, it's more like the finished thing. So I'll tell you what I wanted to try. What I wanted to try. I've got the stepper motor add-on. I wanted just to see if this will fit in, because it's got all the right fixings in the right wells. So that just drops straight in. Look. Yeah, so when the stepper motor turns, it's locked in position. Now what holds it on is the shaft goes into the plastic shaft. I haven't got a plastic shaft. I haven't got a shaft in there at the minute. So I've still got that loose at the minute. Still got that loose, and that's the inner bit. So we're just waiting for those shafts to print now, so we can see if the ball bearings need adjusting. They might need adjusting. So there's the one made out of copper. Doesn't click very good, so the good thing is take the lid off, you can get all these out again. And there's another one here. They're all a bit different, aren't they? Anodised aluminium, different knobs. And then there's the new one. Yeah. Okay, right, I'm getting thirsty now. Right, let's go and have a look at what's going on with these. Oh, they're still printing, 26 minutes. Right, okay, 26 minutes. Right, is there anything else I was going to do? Have I finished? Are we close? It's just optimising it now, isn't it? Anyway, how long we've been going? Let's have a look. Just over an hour. Right, okay. Right. We started late, so we'll finish early. And I'll probably see. Oh, see, what's the date today? What's the day? Thursday. Oh, Friday. Yeah, we'll definitely have one on tomorrow night. Now, tomorrow at night might be a celebration thumbnail like this, with fireworks and all sorts of stuff, balloons, just to say finished. And hopefully, I'll tell you what we'll do as well. We'll build one live. We'll build one up from bits live and see how quick we can build it. I'll be surprised how quick we can build it. Yeah. Right, anyway, I think that's it really. That is gonna be it by the looks of it. So we're doing okay. So it's turned out nice. And these you can't see. these, I've got the lid off. Right, so I haven't even tightened that down yet. Just with that there, and these are solid. This idea is great. It's a fantastic idea. Anyway, so I'll leave that for a bit, and if I have to do any little tweaks, I'll do them. But tomorrow night, hopefully, I'll print enough bits out to assemble one live, and see how it goes. We'll test it all. We'll wire up the little leaf, test it, do all the ground tests and switching, and stick it on a couple of aerials. I've got a mag mount, so I could stick it on a couple of aerials. I've got whips and stuff. Centre, yeah, I can actually connect up a couple of AM Pros onto a centre base. Just have a play with them, yeah. I can do stuff like that. Right, anyway, that's going to be it. Have a good one, and thanks for joining in. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. So there we go. HF antenna number 33. It's about half of what I did on the polycarbonate, but that's probably good. It's all about the click, so we couldn't get around to showing the click yet. We're still waiting for it to print, but tomorrow night. Alright then, bye for now, thanks for watching, I'm out here, ta-ra, 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 ta-ra.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.